welcome to another problem of the day. It's math time. Let's get started. Here we go. Remember, we say our math norms every day because when we say it, we think it and we believe it and we live it. So here we go. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. Here we go. It's time for our problem of the day, and I'm excited today because we have a splat. I love splats. They're really awesome. We have a splat, and we also have a what is. So we are going to figure out our splat and our what is. You can choose to do it in either order, splat first and what is, or what is and splat, your choice. I'm going to explain splats to people that might be unfamiliar with them. So, you notice that we have some blue dots here, and there are actually a total of 37 blue dots on this page. We just can't see some because they're covered by splats. But it's helpful to know that there are the same number of blue dots under this splat as under this splat, and so on. So we have this many showing, but there are a total of 37. So we need to figure out how many blue dots are under each of the splats. And then we have what is. So this is checking for our number sense and just making sure that we can think about what is 10,000 more than 45,679 without actually having to write it out and figure it out. Because when we have number sense, we can just figure it out by ourselves, and we'll talk that through. Okay, I'm going to put it on pause now because I want you to figure these out. Remember, don't come back until after you've worked on these, okay? Thank you. See you in a bit. Hi, everyone. I'm back. All right, so now let's figure out this splat first. I like splats. They're pretty fun. So we know that there are a total of 37 blue dots total in this whole picture. And we know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue dots showing. So 37, hang on a second, I just need my marker out. 37 minus 7 is, of course, 30. So we know that that there are 30 underneath these 5 splats. So another way we could do that is 5 times mystery number equals 30. Because we know there's 5 splats there, and there's a total of 30 under there. Another way to show this would be 30 divided by 5 equals a mystery, right? So in order to solve this, I'm going to count by 5s and figure out how many are underneath our splats. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So there's actually 6 under each. Ooh, what is happening here? Okay, here we go. I'm trying to write with my marker and the whole thing moved. Okay, so there's 6 here. 6, 6, 6. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check by checking, does 30 divided by 5 equal 6? Well, indeed it does. So I'm right there mathematically with my equation, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check by adding it up just to make sure. It's always a really good idea to check and double check your math, okay? So let's count. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6, 18, 24, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So were we correct? Absolutely. There are 6 blue dots under each of the splats, and we can tell because we showed it with our equations and we also counted it out to make sure. So there we go. 6 under each splat. Now let's go to our what is. What is 10,000 more than 45,679? Now to figure this out, I need to go to the 10,000 spot. So we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So the 4 is in the 10,000 spot. So we add 1 to the 4, which is actually adding 10,000 to the 45,000. So we're making it 55,679. So 10,000 more than 45,679 is actually 55,679. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this next number. It says 10,000 less than 102,732. So let's check our place value here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. Yikes! I have a 0 in the 10,000s place. But here's what we need to do. We need to think of this as 10 10,000s. Because if you multiply 10 times 10,000, you do get 100,000. So this is actually 10 10,000s. So what we need to do is subtract 1 because it's 10,000 less. So really what we're going to get is a 9, right? A 9 in the 10,000 spot. So then we have 92,732. So 10,000 less than 102,732 is actually 92,732. Now we're going to this next one, and we have 10,000 less than 92,112. So we go to the ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000 spot. The 9 is in the 10,000 spot. So we're going to subtract 1, which is actually subtracting 10,000, and we're going to make it 82,112. 82,112. Now we go to the bottom one. It says 10,000 more than 1,921. So if we go ones, tens, hundred thousands, 10,000s, we don't have anything in the 10,000 spot. And that could be like a 0 because it's nothing. So instead of a 0, I'm going to make it a 1 because I'm adding 10,000. It's really not a 1, it's really 10,000. And then I need to keep what I already have, so that's 11,921. So 10,000 more than 1,921 is 11,921. Now, if I wanted to, I could take the slow way and add or subtract all of them, but that's not really showing your number sense. That's just showing that you can do an equation, and you really understand numbers a lot more if you can see the patterns in the numbers. Okay? I hope you had fun. I know I did. Have a good day. Bye.